I added a new capability to my Utility Manager program. Now I can transmit the contents of the text buffer using either teletype signaling or Morse code signaling. The speed of the Morse code keying is adjustable. In this demo, I think it's about 13 words per minute. Command 8 toggles the output, and this is convenient when a hand key is also in the circuit. So you just load the text buffer with the message you want to send and then press 7. The October 1976 issue of BYTE magazine was my inspiration. The additional object code only cost 256 bytes reduction in text buffer capacity by shoehorning a third of the new code into unused portions of the existing program space. The ASCII to Morse lookup table is 128 bytes just by itself. Total new code, 373 bytes. This is the transmitter that I'm planning to use with my Morse code keyer.